roadway in, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Well, Saturday, April 27. You missing your Channel Islands? It's so nice and calm here, but it's not the offshore weather we're worried about. It's the waves and the surf, which
it wasn't our choice, so.
No,
they say the U.S. Marine blah blah blah
canceled everything.
Yeah. Even the ferry.
So we're downtown Ventura.
Oh, look at this rock. It's shaped like a whale.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, I gotta get a picture of this, I guess. Even have to take yours out. I gotta test out this thing.
You gonna walk down? Looks like they just got mostly rental units in here. And grills over here. That looks like a common area. And here's a little girl at heart.
Who doesn't love a swing?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna walk a couple miles down to the beach, right?
Yep.
Across the causeway.
Yep.
I don't like a swing. It makes me.
Does it make you seasick?
Yeah. I have to watch my movements, you know, and my ongoing conditions that I have. I have to maintain equilibrium. But that's okay. It looks like all along in here it's just basically these old rental units that they have.
Yep.
There's a Tesla that somebody came in that's charging over there.
Yep.
It was charging when we came in. It's the Model Y. And here's the main office.
They make fresh baked cookies every day, but we haven't had any.
Yeah, and hot chocolate and s'mores and
cider and
whatever. But we're antisocial. Actually, not too antisocial. We just
look at how cute the little sitting area to have your cookies.
We just really don't have time to socialize much. Hey, look at the bicycles. I wonder if they just give you bicycles to use.
I don't know.
It says Waypoint on them. What does it say?
Yeah, I don't remember if it said they rent them or if they give them.
If it's a courtesy, as much as we're paying complimentary bicycles. How about they got helmets and everything?
Huh.
So if we wanted to go, there's another Tesla. That's a 3.
Oh, 3.
Yeah. A lot of Teslas here in the lands of the fruits and the nuts. And we didn't try to join them. Look here, here's the trash. Recycling regular trash. All right, we can walk down to the end over here and go across the...
Look like they're restoring old ones too.
Yeah, they got a bunch of them over there. Huh.
They don't really have any more room, though.
I wonder what they charge the rent and what the rental terms are, if it's long term or if it's just like overnight kind of things. Well, we did have a Amtrak train come through this morning. It didn't blow the horn too loud though, did it?
Yeah,
those big freight trains come through and they'll make the bugs shake back and forth. I said, what is going on? Is that the wind? And then all of a sudden the train come through. It's crazy. This isn't where we go down and across, is it?
Up at the street.
No, that's just a little back end area. All the way up to the street. Well, it's a little bit after 10. I want to get back and watch the Supercross Philadelphia live show on Peacock. It starts at 12 o'clock California time, 3 o'clock Philadelphia time. Look at that thing there. So I guess we'll do our 2-3 mile walk down the beach, get back, watch Supercross. I'll grill some pork chops. Then we'll go find some gas for tomorrow's long haul to our, where are we going tomorrow, babe?
Morro Bay State Beach.
And we'll be dry camping there for 3 days, right?
Yep.
We have a reservation, so that's not a big deal. Getting a spot. Oh, yeah.
It's breezy.
All right, here comes the train. Look at that. Get here just in time. What do you think? You think it's an Amtrak or a freight train?
I'm going to say an Amtrak.
An Amtrak? Man, they just blast through here sometimes. Not too bad at night.
Amy picked up her dog.
Yeah, I would
He
too.
was on the ground, but yeah. It was
She's got a leash, but imagine if this train comes through here will scare the dogs pretty bad. That's why she's holding him.
Look at that big palm tree. How wide it is.
Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Man, the last place we were when that thing ding, 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 when we in Williams, those trains would blast through there, wouldn't they? Where are they coming? They got to be coming from this direction. Oh, they're going back up, dummy. What were they doing? Just testing? Okay. Well, I'm playing chicken with the train. Where is it? I don't see it. Founded 1782. City of... Okay. This is Highway 1, right? The Pacific Highway. Huh? Yeah, that's where we exited. That's slow traffic.
Wildflowers?
Yeah, wildflowers in the middle. Yeah. Man, it's pretty light traffic today. Look at this. All right, nice little walkway across the Pacific Highway to the ocean, to the beach. And that's where we're heading over there. Okay, I think we can go across if we're brave enough. Eric Erickson's restaurant. How about that? We just walk down here and eat. Ventura Pier. Yeah, when we came 2015 with Jenna and Trey, it was Santa Monica Pier. It's pretty similar though. Hey, look at this. Beach House Tacos, babe. That's not a very far walk, is it?
No.
City of San. Alright. And the wind is so calm for them to have canceled our trip to the Channel Islands. That's crazy.
Well, it's because we're between buildings.
Yeah, but look how calm the ocean is. I don't know either. I guess the National Weather Service. There comes that train. You hear it? Can't see it.
Now, how do we get out?
I guess we walked here to the closed gate and turn around and go back, eh?
How do we get to the beach?
We got to go down there. We'll find a way out when we come in.
Get a tan.
No way. It's in the 60s. And with the wind, it makes it kind of breezy. People in the water out there, though. Look, somebody put a sign up here for me. Look at that. Dude, you're awesome. I know that. That's what my wife tells me. Look at this. Nice, perfect day. And the other side. It's cold. But they got this all shut down probably for repairs, right? Do not climb on the rail.
Look at all the people walking along the beach picking up crap.
Yeah.
So it's low tide right now.
Yeah, it's good. We can go down and walk down the beach down there with ways too. But at least we got a good landmark here, the pier, to get the cross and go back home, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, hardly any wind. That's a restaurant there, Made West. And then the taco place is right here in front of us, which is nice. There goes that train way down the distance. Just in case.
Salmon tacos.
Yeah.
Yum. It's good.
And they got burritos. Okay. And then this day Saturday brunch until 12, so that's good. All right, let's go. Kathy knows where she's going, just right around the corner. Yeah. Well, we made it. Now we're heading out to the beach in the sand. Pretty sandy, isn't it? Looks like there's a rock barricade. Number 10 State Parks, no lifeguard. All right. Kathy's found us the path of least resistance to go across these rocks. A lot of volunteer people out here picking up. I guess they're volunteers. And the pier. Finally made it to the beach. Yeah, there was a bunch of rocks over there. You know how to navigate though, don't you, babe? This is a lot easier to walk on. Cushiony though. Those are gentle waves. Okay. Still a little rocky. But the birds in the background there, Catherine likes. Oi. See if I can find the birds in the background. Kind of hard to tell. That's okay. Man, I don't know whether we can navigate around these rocks or not. Look at this. Crashing on the rocks. I guess we can walk down here. What do you think, Kath? It's the only way is to go this way. To continue. But she's heading that way. Okay. I'm going this way. She's going way over there. Both kind of rocky no matter what you do. Jumping required at times. I'm assuming these are all volunteers. It's many, yeah, very many people out here picking up trash.
But it's like they're moving sticks and stuff more. I don't see a lot of trash.
Well, they got bags.
I guess the beach would be covered with natural kind of rubbish if they didn't keep doing it.
They must be picking up harmful things like plastics, number one. Then unsightly. You would think so. But they're everywhere picking up trash.
I haven't seen anybody with trash.
Well, whatever they're picking up. There comes a puppy chasing the ball.
Phew.
Get it.
You have the ball?
Well, after navigating the rocky pathway over here, was no path. You just had to, I jumped from rock to rock. Now this is a very nice walk. So you can navigate across this little stream without getting your feet wet too bad, eh? Hopefully it doesn't flood so we can't get back across it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that won't be good.
No. All right, we got about another 10 minutes to walk down here before we have to turn around to get back before 12. It's the start of my motorcycle race broadcast. 10 more minutes and then turn around and go back because it'd be 11. Well, we could go a little further, I guess. Now, we have your mom and your 3 aunts going to Tybee Island, Georgia. They're probably already there now. Well, pretty close to it, right? On the Atlantic Ocean.
11, no, it's only 2 o'clock here.
Okay.
Checking it's not quite 4.
And we're in Ventura, California on the Pacific Ocean. Sending greetings out to all our clan known as the Griswolds. Our dysfunctional family members, including us, if they would ever let me join the Griswolds. Maybe one day they'll accept me in. I don't know. I'm not dysfunctional enough yet, even though I'm pretty dysfunctional.
Just a different kind.
Just a different kind.
Maybe you're not bossy.
I don't know. I can be.
All the Griswolds are bossy.
No. Just a few that belong also to the KIA club. Right. You as vice president should know.
That's right.
But most of the Griswolds belong to the KIA club. I can't be admitted to either one, even with your support. That's okay.
That's right.
I'm a continuing nominee. So, look here, no lifeguard on duty. You want to go up there and act as a lifeguard, babe?
No.
You got a whistle?
I can't even whistle.
Man, there's a sailboat way out there. Look at all the sailboats going to the islands. The Channel Islands over there.
Then why couldn't
I bet you that's
there?
I bet you that's the Channel Islands over there.
Out there.
Yep, that's them, the Galapagos of the continental United States, they said. $1,400 an hour for a helicopter, and they couldn't even land there. So that kind of said, if you can't land and let us out, then we're not paying $1,400 an hour.
We're not going to the Channel Islands this trip.
Nope. Gives you another reason to come back if you ever want to come back this way. I just don't know about fighting all this traffic. That's the worst thing.
Right.
Oh well. Touching the Pacific, it's not too cold, is it?
No, not as bad as I thought.
Make it to this rocks, then contemplate turning around, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we've almost reached our target, and there's a friendly game of volleyball over here. That's number 7, lifeguard, nobody on it. Catherine's venturing out to the, see how far she's going. Reach the end of the path unless you want to, well, you're going. See how far you can go. Huh?
It's a little slippery.
Slippery? I don't want to slip down, that's for sure. Okay. Alright. Let you venture on. Yeah, it's pretty precarious in here on all these rocks.
Afraid to be already out there.
Yeah, the pier doesn't look that far down there, but it's probably almost a mile, I would guess. Can't believe how calm everything is. So you ready to head back?
Yeah.
A lot of houses over here. back to our little stream. Should be able to do this without getting feet wet too bad. We made it.
Easier than going across the other way.
Yeah. Well, we're almost back to the pier. Now we got to navigate all these rocks. Get over there, across those rocks. All right, instead of going across the rocks to get back to the pier, we decided to shortcut over to the sidewalk. Make it a little easier. This is a little bit easier, isn't it? We got to go all the way over there to that overpass. It says these are poppies. Okay. And on the left are some more yellow wildflowers. All right. Daisies? I don't know what these are. She says they're daisies, but I don't believe so. Look at these flowers. All right. Okay, made it back to the entry for our overpass by the Beach House Tacos. I guess say goodbye to Ventura Pier. Ooh, watch where I go. Well, the taco stand has got more business now. All the contributors. Catherine knows what to do. With caution. Is she stopping? Let's go. Careful. Says walk with caution.
She was gonna stop.
No, she was blasting up there, right?
Yeah. If you didn't step out, she was going. The lights were flashing.
Playing chicken. I had the right of way.
Done that, right.
Well, we're going across the freeway. Let's see. One mad freeway. Back to the railroad tracks. Take a right. Yeah. Back to Waypoint, Ventura. Home, sweet home. Go get me a cookie. Snatched a couple of cookies just for dessert, eh? Look like macadamias.
They do.
Oh, man.
I guess I could have looked before I'd be happy.
You'd be happy, eh? Okay. Yeah.
Come down here tonight.
Yeah. If you can reserve your spot. Okay. Back to home, sweet home.